Why is my C:\Windows\system32 /Wbem folder almost 100 GB and how do I reduce it? The folder C:\Windows\system32 takes up almost 100 GB on my SSD drive. This doesn't feel like an optimal utilization of my SSD drive. Can it be reduced? I've come across some references to rebuilding your My repository that seemed related to the Wbem directory. So I've tried doing this, but the size did not decrease noticeably. The content in the Wbem directory is a lot of folders named repository.xxx where XXX is 001 to 096. These folders sizes range from 758 MB to 1140 MB. There is also a folder called merely repository, which is 1078 MB in size. I'm using Windows 8 Enterprise 64-bit, not Win 8.1. I just ran win/verify repository and got the result. My repository is consistent.
There should only be one copy of C:\Windows\system32 /WB/repository. The repository.xxx folders might be Wimi repository backups generated each time that you repair the repository or recreate it. It was once intended for the SCCM client agent to automatically try to rebuild the Wimi repository if there was a consistency issue detected, a feature which might still exist and be the issue you are running into. I do not know why you have so many of these folders, but it seems that Wimi has an issue on your computer. As a first aid, you could get rid of all these folders and rebuild the repository. See also if the article Configuration Manager Client Health, Disable Automatic Remediation relates to your setup, as it contains a registry fix for a similar problem. It also wouldn't hurt to run the sfc scannow command. The simplest Wimi rebuild is done via netstop-wint. Move elsewhere all folders named C:\Windows\system32 /WB/repository*. netstart-wint should start rebuilding the repository. Wait a while and then reboot. If everything works fine, you can junk the saved folders. A Wimi repair script that has been knocking around since ages, but I have never tried. Might itself or in some parts of still be useful on Windows 8. After all this, you might reboot and run once more wint verify repository. Be very careful with backups and create at least a system restore point before starting. Or even better, take an image snapshot of the system disk.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.